Alright, back on this one. Let's swap out the fan motor. Let's check and see what voltage we got. Let me make sure this motor's not three-phase for some reason, which it should be. It's got a cap. So yeah, it can't be. Alright, so got it loose. Take it out, blah, blah, blah. Let's get up here. Alright, here we go. Oh, one more screw, dumbass. Usually flip them. And what we'll do is we'll just cut the wires in here. Use as much room as we can. Take this thing down and we'll change it. We don't need the brown wire anymore because we're going to a 2-cap. So the brown wire we can just cap. We'll just put the wire straight to the 2 wires of the capacitor, either a 12 or a 0.5 or a 10. But let's cap that guy to be safe because we don't need him anymore. He ain't gonna do nothing. Alright, wires to first. Bam. Bam. Simple enough. Couple wires. Bam. Bam. Let's get a couple little swaggies on there. Bam. Alright, there's that. Now let me jump down and get this fucking motor on here. Spit on that shaft, boy. Alright. Here we go. Ready, 7. Get a little spit on there, boy. Hey, you gotta spit on that shit. Hot killer. Hit it with the old hot chiller. Alright. Let's see if we get